Morning, guys. So a new company has entered the South African market called Power Plus. They reached out to me a couple of weeks ago to try one of their new throttle boosters. So before we go out there though, cup of coffee, grab the gear, fill up the car with fuel and head on out.
Right, welcome to another exciting 4x4 Ventures episode. Morning of day 3 and welcome. Sure, what a day, what an absolute day. Okay, hey, how's it guys? I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what we're going to get up to. But first, a little bit of idea as to what the Power Plus throttle controller is. The throttle controller is essentially speeds up your throttle response, so there's no lag in acceleration. What's also really nice about a throttle booster is it allows your turbo to spool faster, so it also reduces lag in your turbo. This gives what seems like to me an increase in power, but it's not really. It's just much better throttle response. With the Power Plus throttle box controller or pedal booster, we have 3 modes, and I'm just going off of the user guide here. As you can see, we love our user guides. So the first mode is normal mode, so we'll do 100 kilometers in normal mode. Second mode is economy mode, and we then have the power mode. And what's really cool with this throttle box controller is that in the power mode, there's 3 sub modes. There's a comfortable mode, which is a lower setting. There is a A2 sports mode, which is a little bit more responsive. And then there's a racing mode, which is the top of the throttle delivery or response speed. They are suitable for both diesel and you do get them for petrol. We've got another half an hour drive on the way to Pilanesberg. I've just moved over from normal mode to economy mode. Economy mode setting number 9, the highest economy mode setting. It's good to be in the Pilanesberg, and we're now on power mode 1. We're at the highest it can go, which is 1.9, and already, wow, the whole system, everything's changed. So the throttle response is very nice. It climbs up revs very nice, and is responsive. So apparently this mode, power mode 1, is the throttle control you need for towing and going off-road. Want some get up go in your pants. This feels like the good one, eh? Some get up and go in your pants, that's for sure. What would old James May say? To quote the man himself, fizz on my tip. Okay, so we are in we're in power mode 3, which is racing mode, and I am happy. Okay, cool. So we've just made it to De Wilt. So we're here at De Wilt 4x4 Trails. Thank you to De Wilt. Guys, the Power Plus. Look, they reached out to me. They've given me this demo unit to run and test for a while, and they've also given you, my subscribers, the opportunity to get a 5% discount. How that's going to work, chaps? Just reach out to me via my email or my cell phone number, and let's make it happen. Guaranteed to put a smile on your dial. I wasn't expecting to get the gains that I did with the Power Plus. I think I got a little bit complacent with the competitor's throttle controller, and I'm very happy to say that both in the Power Plus comfort mode, a 1.9, and the Power Plus racing mode, a 3.9, the returns are amazing. What's more important is I got my crawl feature back on the Ford Ranger. With the competitor's throttle controller, I never seemed to have that, nor did I have the confidence. It always felt like the vehicle was going to stall. Well, I'm so happy that it's now back and that I've got a crawl feature, because it's quite important when doing off-road trails. Sometimes you get stuck in thick sand, you don't want to necessarily touch the accelerator at all, and you just want to let the vehicle do its thing. I can now do that, and with confidence. It's a great return for very little. The competitor does cost a little bit more, and these guys are going to throw in free delivery postnet to postnet. So if you reach out to me, you get a 5% discount and they'll send you a unit. Look, I don't mean to come across as a hard sales, but I wasn't expecting to go through what happened today. At this moment though, the tech that's gone into the Power Plus unit leaps and bounds ahead of its competitor. We ran all modes today. We started at normal, we went into economy mode. Economy mode definitely suited for doing slow drives. If you feel dull and boring and you want to look at animals, fantastic. There's nothing wrong with that, but life changes. You switch over into the Power Plus comfort mode and it is immediate. It's an immediate difference. It's also got the option to go between auto transmission and manual transmission, which is great. So guys, as always, if you really enjoyed this episode, please won't you give me a thumbs up? It does help. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe. There's a little bell icon down below just to get notifications for when I upload new episodes. And most importantly, please share this episode. As always guys, we'll see you at the next one. Keep trucking, stay safe, and we'll see you out there. Cheers.